Yes or not? So there will be from the normal force, from the reverse fault, from the thrust fault. Yes? Earthquake will come. कल देखा था सुनामी में. So which are the causes of earthquake? Plate movement, explosive volcanic eruption or effusive? Explosive volcanic eruption and yes, faults. Understood? So अब मैं definition बोलने जा रहा हूँ. I said that earthquake क्या है? It is trembling or shaking of ground of earth's surface. Yes, due to sudden release of stored elastic energy under the influence of plate movement, explosive volcanic eruption and different types of faults. Understood? Clear? What is the definition? It is shaking or trembling of ground of Earth's surface due to sudden release of stored elastic energy. Yeah? Due to sudden release of stored elastic energy under the influence of plate movement, explosive volcanic eruption and different types of. समझ में आ गया? And क्या आप इन सबको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो along the divergent boundary? अब बोलोगे, अब तो बोल सकते हो बहुत सारा. When the two plates are diverging and moving away, when it is moving away, then they are causing, what is the name? At the shallow focus earthquake it can have. Which kind of earthquake? Understood? बोल सकते हो. And it is in the mid part of oceans, in the middle part of the along oceanic ridges, and it is available in Pacific, in Atlantic and Indian Ocean. Thereafter convergent, we'll say that there are the three types of convergence, and we can say that there is an oceanic continental convergence. और ये oceanic continental कहाँ होता है? Eastern part of Pacific near South America and North America. When the Nazca plate is subducting below South American plate, जहाँ पे contact zone होता है, that is known as an earthquake zone. If it is breaking, the release of earthquake. Yes or not? And there is a shallow, intermediate and deep focused earthquake. Similarly, along the western part of North America, during the formation of Western Cordillera and North America Rockies, then when the Juan de Fuca plate is subducting, yes, so then there is a what? Shallow, intermediate and deep focused earthquake. And in the eastern part of Pacific, due to the next one is an oceanic convergence along the eastern part of Pacific, Indonesian formation, Andaman Nicobar, and I said Caribbean island group formation. Then when the oceanic convergence is taking place, the more denser oceanic plate converges and they put in a more what is in a force of contact, and therefore there is in a what? There is in a what? Shallow, intermediate and deep focused earthquake nearby volcanic island groups. Understood? समझ में आ गया? And therefore we can say along the Pacific region we have what? 80% of the earthquake. 80% of earthquake. Is it clear? And समझ में आ चुका है? And if I talk about, so 80% of earthquake कहाँ पर है? Along this, and 15% यहाँ पे कौन सा हो रहा है? African is moving and this side is Eurasian is moving, and यहाँ पे Tethys oceanic plate is subducting below, and there is an Alps mountain formation. और यहाँ पे continental convergence, there is a more earthquake, and therefore Himalayan zone is more earthquake prone zone. So from the Mediterranean Sea towards Himalaya and then this Southeast Asia, means इसको बोलते हैं East Indies. It is in a 15% of the earthquake. 80% of earthquake is in Pacific Ring of Fire. 15% of earthquake and 5% of earthquake in the mid-oceanic ridge divergent here and there. So how much? 80, 15 and 5. तो आपको convergent समझ में आ गया, divergent भी हो गया, and transform is one example famous, you know, that along the what? San Andreas Fault near to the western part of North America near California state of USA. California state of when the two slip past each other. It causes very damage earthquake. Understood? And explosive volcanic eruption. In 1883, Krakatoa, where there is we have seen there is an explosive volcanic eruption. It causes more thunder and the shaking on the Earth's surface. Yes or not? So explosive volcanic eruption, granitic magma generally causes what? Clear? And then movements along faults. So if I say that there is ये समझ में आएगा, there is a divergence, two plates are moving away from each other, strike slip fault or transform boundary. It is a continental convergence, it is an oceanic continental convergence. Yes, and there will be also oceanic convergence. There is which one? Oceanic convergence. And there will be what is a strike slip fault, and there will be normal fault, and there will be reverse and thrust fault. These are the faults are also causing what is earthquake. समझ में आ चुका? सभी को आप अपने तरीके से you can explain. Is it clear? क्योंकि जो प्लेट टेक्टोनिक में पढ़ा सारा एक्सप्लेन कर दो. सुनामी वाले में भी जो आपने देखा वोल्केनिक इरप्शन यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन कर दो. और फर्स्ट क्लास जब मैं बताता हूँ तो वहाँ पे फॉल्ट्स वगैरह भी बताता हूँ. और जिन लोगों का नहीं हुआ होगा देयर आफ्टर दे विल डू. क्लियर? समझ में आ गया? व्हाट आर द कॉजेज ऑफ अर्थक्वेक? क्लियर? व्हाट आर द कॉजेज? प्लेट मूवमेंट ऑफ प्लेट टेक्टोनिक. सेकंड, explosive volcanic eruption and different types of faults. Next one, I said that what is the meaning of focus? What is the meaning of focus and epicenter? Two things are there, focus and epicenter. I said that यहां से ये प्लेट अंदर जा रहा है और ये प्लेट यहां पर ऐसे है, और यहाँ पे ये जो आपको याद होगा ना कि ये सरफेस कैसा होता है, रफ सरफेस, एंड इट इज द रफ सरफेस ऑफ दिस साइड एंड इट इज द रफ सरफेस ऑफ, और फोर्स तो सभी पे लग रहा है, लेकिन यहां से सपोज करो टूट गया, इट हैज बीन ब्रोकन, द एनर्जी विल लिबरेट फ्रॉम हियर, इट विल बिकम द फोकस ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक. यस और नॉट? द एनर्जी वेव और सिस्मिक वेव फ्रॉम वेयर द व्हाट एनर्जी released is known as what? Focus of the earthquake. And near to the what? Nearest point on the ground from focus. Nearest point from ground to the ground, from focus to the ground, it is known as what? Nearest point is this, it is known as what? Epicenter. It is known as what? It is known as what? Epicenter. और ये क्या हो जाएगा? Further point. So the nearest point हमेशा क्या होता है? Normal. और we can say epicenter निकालने का क्या तरीका है? Line normal from focus to the ground. Line normal from focus to the, क्योंकि हमेशा nearest point perpendicular होता है. So normal. That is again giving epicenter. तो सबसे ज्यादा earthquake कहाँ पे फील होता है? एपिसेंटर पे. अर्थक्वेक अंदर के लोगों थोड़े ना होते हैं, वो अर्थक्वेक के ऊपर होता है ना. सो इट इज द हाईएस्ट अर्थक्वेक फेस्ड बाय एपिसेंटर. अंडरस्टूड? धीरे धीरे आप दूर जाओगे, सपोज यहाँ 7.5 का आया, थोड़ा सा दूर होते जाओगे तो यहाँ पर आपको क्या फीलिंग होगी? यहाँ पर आपको 6 इंटेंसिटी की फीलिंग होगी. फिर दूर जाओगे तो आपको 5 की फीलिंग होगी. The line joining the same intensity of earthquake, line joining the same intensity of earthquake is known as, same को बोलते हैं isosysmal line. What it is known as what? This is the focus and this is epicenter, and the surrounding region will have what? Isosysmal line. Yes. This is the focus and nearest point is what? And there will be what? Isosysmal lines. Understood? और जितना दूर होते जाओगे इंटेंसिटी ऑफ अर्थक्वेक आपकी फीलिंग कम होते चले जाएंगे. Understood it? Okay. Clear? Which are we have seen? Focus, epicenter and isoscemal line. Focus, epicenter and isoscemal lines. Completely okay? Next one, I said that there are the two scales for measuring earthquake. It is one Richter scale and one it is what? Mercalli scale. They are the two scales are there for measuring earthquake. Which are the two scales?